Guess we're going to adjust the front brake.
Yeah, we just got done moving this, so now it lines up here. Make sure the cable will work through here. Now we're sticking out some of this free play we got. Do that, we gotta get some free play here. Jeez, they make this so get in here, don't they? Special tool to get in here. Obviously don't want you adjusting this brake very much. I like how it's wrapping up the housing there. See how it does that?
Mm-hmm.
Makes it really hard to adjust. I don't know why it's doing that. Obviously something's not right. Not sure what the problem is with that. My guess is that they didn't grind the end of the cable off when it was cut, so it's got a tang sticking out.
Mm-hmm.
It acts like a lock washer. Making it difficult. Yep, bigger than that. Wrenches are missing. There it is. Oh.
Jeez.
What the hell did they do? I didn't even have the right brake lever on there. Oh, this is all made wrong. What a shocker. See how this is made here?
Looks like it's backwards, if anything.
Well, it's supposed to come out straight, but see, here's your leverage ratios. You're supposed to be at 90 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it from this view over here. From over here.
Okay.
See, at 90 degrees is your maximum throw. Now you're supposed to start here and go past your center when you sweep it. So pull that lever up there. How much travel do we have? So you got like a ½ inch of travel. So this thing is supposed to be just basically on this side of the wrench, and it goes to this side as it works. So right off the bat, we're off by that far. So we need to rotate this down to here. Now we got enough clearance in here, we should be able to do that. And I don't know why they had this thing loose, but like everything else in the bike, it's kind of an afterthought tightening anything.
Yeah.
And this isn't going to be able to just flip this around either. I want to leave it to where it is. We're just going to lower this all the way down here as far as we can go.
All right.
Start from that positioning. No, you can't do that because that's... We have to flip the lever over. The lever's just not made right for this application the way it is. Yeah, it has to be flipped to 180. Alright. Everything in this bike, it turns into more work. Really simple adjustments, shouldn't have to take an hour to do.
I know.
This is all custom made. We got a disc brake fork with a drum brake front end. Drum brake wheel and brake. I'll have to redo this piece. Oh, that's nice. See, this is supposed to pivot in here so you don't bind up. It's locked solid, of course, because this isn't the correct piece. None of it is.
Well, that front brake drum's been quite a challenge, to say the least,
Yeah,
from start to finish.
You can kind of see where it's been a problem here, because nothing's right. That's the problem. See, it's supposed to be adjustable.
Floating, yeah, yeah.
Floating, yeah. I think what we're going to do is we're going to ignore the brake for a little while here.
Okay.
something else. I'll start the bike up, see if it runs. Try to get this thing off of here. It's going to take a lot of trouble to make that piece.
That was Rob North. Yeah.
It's actually about the right spot down there. The disadvantage of this is you're so low here on your brake that if you hit a rock or something, it knocks the brake on. So don't go off-roading too much with this setup. If you're low enough, the weeds will start digging in your wheel. Works. I'm only off by that far. So this should have been more out here.
Yeah.
You can go that way. It used to come down that far though. So we might have to reposition this cable a little bit too. It's hard to tell what we're going to be doing here on this thing. You always adjust your cables all the way up before you start. That way you got some room to pull back. Of course, the rust is kicking in there. Put the lubricant on there. Self-lubricates and cuts the rust. Super seed brand. Better than WD-40. Oh yeah, that's just like really nice thread, see? Yeah, that might be a little bit hard to use in the normal position. Yeah, so we're going to have to do something here, I'm not sure what. I guess I'm going to have to wind up taking this whole thing off, go run a die up this whole thing and get it to where I can use it. Okay, I'm done playing with that for now.
Okay.
Let's get back to the motor. The important part.